Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon hot dog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon hot dog, let's begin with the bun. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line. We're going to go up, we're going to come down, and then we're going to go back up and down just a little bit. Next, let's curve this around. We're going to kind of come down for the bun, and then we're going to bring this line up here to connect. Now, let's make the hot dog. Let's begin by curving a line that's going to curve around and come to here. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Let's curve this around and then come into here. Next, I'm going to make a wiggly line on here so we can make this the mustard. Then I'm going to remake that same wiggly line on top of here. Now let's draw the other side of the bun. Let's make this line come up. We're going to go down, then we'll come up and back down again. Now let's give our hot dog a funny face. So let's start here. I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. Let's make a circle inside for the pupil, and we'll color in most of this, leaving a little bit white. And we'll do that same thing here. Color in most of it, leaving a little bit white. For the mouth, let's make a line across. And we're going to curve this line down and then come up. Let's make a curve for the tongue. And we'll make a line across for the teeth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun cartoon hot dog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.